Hey guys, what's up? Today in this video I will tell about the lightweight Linux OS which is made for the old computer processor or old systems. So this Linux OS name is Q4OS. It is a very lightweight OS that can run in any old computer processor like core2duo, Pentium 4 and other low-end processor. Basically I like this desktop environment made in this operating system. The hover button features and the arrow theme, it makes this OS like Windows. The ISO size of this OS is only 990 MB and you will get terminal and application store from where you can get or install many applications like Google Chrome, VLC Player, Wine, Custom Screen Recorder, LibreOffice and many more. So if you want to install in your computer, the link will be given in the description of the ISO file, so you can download from there. And I will recommend this operating system for those who are beginning in hacking and programming. And if you want to be a hacker, you can start from this OS. You can also use Kali Linux or private security OS, but they are highly professional level. So if you are a beginner hacker or programmer, you can start with Q4OS. So let's take a quick view of this operating system.
Yes, I sink. Finally, someplace I found peace in the dark of night. Tabletops counting nerves in the early hours. Stone cold inside, banging drop stanzas, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights go. We wander all alone, but we can't. We are the street light people. Chasing whatever kills. For so long I forgot how it feels in the dark of night. Tabletops counting nerves in the early hours. Stone cold inside, banging drop stanzas, never need